CANIDAE is pet food made by pet people. From the beginning, CANIDAE has been independent and family-owned, just as we are today. When we started our company in 1996, we set out to make the best pet foods possible, and that's still what matters most to us. My partner John and I met in 1984 when I started working at a Southern California feed store. That's where the CANIDAE story truly began.
I was looking for a job, and my sister used to shop at San Dimas Grain. I went down there and applied. Next thing you know, I started off my career in the pet food industry.
Quite a few of the pet food companies at the time weren't really paying attention to the consumers or retailers like us, which helped really motivate us to do it ourselves.
We've grown over the years, but we're still an independent, family-owned company, and we're still just as committed to making great pet food.
A couple years ago, we had the opportunity to fly out to Brownwood, Texas, and find a plant that was available, and we bought it right on the spot. Dream come true.
Having our own facility also allows us to perfect our current pet food formulas and develop new recipes. Choosing the right ingredients for our foods has always been the greatest importance to us, that what we say on the bag is always what's in the bag. The grasslands of Wyoming is one place where bison herds can be found. Using fresh meats, like bison, in our grain-free, pure formulas provides high-quality protein. The waterways of the Pacific Northwest provide fresh fish. Fresh fish, like trout or salmon, gives pets a variety of protein choices and can help with food sensitivities. And using whole vegetables from all across America's heartland helps keep our recipes simple. We also use quality ingredients from the US, like fresh chicken and lamb, as well as duck meal from France and lamb meal from New Zealand. Making great pet foods for your pets and ours is our #1 priority. The dogs and cats that enrich our lives in so many ways are even more than pets. They're family. Providing the best nutrition possible for them is what we're all about.
When we started, Scott and I, we had a set of values and integrity, and we're able to carry that through today. That's a good feeling.
You know, people ask me, like, why don't you just sell out to a bigger company and, you know, retire and go live your dream? You know, what I tell them, I'm already living my dream.
We owe our success to the retailers and distributors who carry our products, to the folks here at CANIDAE and Ethos that make the food, and our team that works hard behind the scenes. And most of all, to the pets and their people that believe in our products as much as we do. CANIDAE, pet food made by pet people.